This is a fancy neighborhood.
Yeah.
Pretty sick. I'd love to live in a place like this. How about you?
One day.
You know, we have a friend who's 23 years old, a very successful YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers. This just happens to be his house, and we're gonna give you a tour of it, MTV Cribs style. Welcome to Da Casa Vehicle Virgins. It's even got an S-Class in the driveway. Let's go knock on the door and see what kind of crazy maniac who makes YouTube videos lives here.
What's up, dude?
Yeah, I had no idea I was coming.
This was not staged at all. Behind me is the all-new Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Go, 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 go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Parker Nierenstein. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.
Let's give a house tour of
right,
Vehicle Virgins, Parker Nierenstein's beautiful home.
Thank you very much.
The Huracan is unfortunately not here. He has a supercar, he has an S-Class. He even has a European delivery E63 on its way, which should be here, unfortunately, within about a week.
Yeah, a week or two. It's gonna be right after you leave.
Yeah.
I planned it that way because I know you like drifting. I'm just kidding.
Well, let's check it out.
I wish it was here so badly for you to
Come on,
run around.
Dave. You know your house is big when you have a echo.
Yeah, it does that.
Super immature of us, but this is how we roll.
This is the entry room. There's this wooden thing.
You have a
I review
beautiful-
cars, I don't review houses, so I'm not really sure what I'm talking about here.
What's that? $1 million isn't cool. You know what is cool? $1 billion. That's a quote from Social Network. You guys want to have huge success? You have to have huge dreams. He's moving on from cars and homes to yachts.
Thankfully not. Thank gosh, I don't actually have a passion for boats and jets because they get a little expensive. But this is like I don't even know what the heck it is. Formal standing room.
Yeah.
It's like a living room, but there's a fireplace. It's kind of cool.
Nice.
Definitely a big change. So when I graduated college, I lived in Ann Arbor, Michigan for a little bit, and then I moved to Santa Monica. And I lived in like a 500 square foot apartment in Santa Monica.
How about the size of this room?
And literally, and now this one's 5 bedrooms, 5,000 square feet.
Amazing. How many car garage?
3-car garage, but then you can fit one more underneath the overpass thing and 2 in the like, I don't even know what to call it, my own driveway kind of thing.
Guys got the Listerine. Nobody likes bad breath around here.
The guest room
you
has
have
its
a
own,
balcony.
It has its own balcony.
Jeez. That is baller. You can see up the hills and everything. You recently hit $1 million and then just blew by. You're at like 1.2 on your way to 1.3.
1.2, almost 1.2 million.
Woo!
It's like, it's been a long time coming. People see the 1 million, they're like, oh, he blew up, blah, blah, blah.
How long have you been a YouTuber?
Since 2013. I believe it took me 2 years to hit 1,900 subscribers. And I literally almost quit. 1,900.
Wow.
And you know, you're averaging 300 views on a video.
Oh, wow.
So.
And now you're averaging 300,000.
Yeah.
That's insane.
I've got a pretty cool driving simulator that I'm gonna plop in right here.
You're gonna have a driving sim here?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
This is the
The
master bedroom. We got a fireplace. It's got a face on it. His name's Pete. Hi, Pete.
Wow.
Tub. And then this is like my favorite.
Powder corner.
No seeds, bitch, please. Papa ain't soft. Dead up in the hood. Ain't no love lost. Got me mixed up. You drunk the mix up. Mad cause I got my dick sucked. And my balls lick. Forfeit. The game is mine. I'ma spell my name one more time. Check it. It's the MOTORIOUS. You just.
Camera, you need to come like visit. Cause I've got a lot of rooms and it's pretty wasted.
That's true. That's true.
You gotta.
We're gonna come down more.
You gotta
More
come
collabs. More collabs. More fun. More donuts in other people's cars.
That was a ride.
That was fun.
We drove this open wheeled car today and she ripped it up. We almost died multiple times.
Oh wow, walk-in closet.
Yeah, it's probably a bit of a mess.
You have a bunch of Vehicle Virgins merch.
The real dawn when you see one. Sipping on booze in the house of blues. I'm going back to Cali.
This is my office.
Wow. You
So-
play guitar?
I do play guitar.
I did not know that about you, actually.
This is a sign from the Nürburgring when temporarily, after somebody drove a Nissan and caught air and killed the spectator, they put a 250 kph speed limit on the straightaway. And then this is the hash marks, which means unlimited speed in Germany for the Autobahn. So when they got rid of the speed limit, they made these signs.
Y'all niggas is domestic and I'm
Near 100,000?
Yeah. And the million one's coming soon. I got the notification and it was like, congratulations, you hit 1 million, and click submit. I'm so pumped for that. That's like
I begin things. People start
living room. Bought my girlfriend an Aventador.
Yes.
Couldn't, after the house, I really couldn't afford a real one, so I got her that.
Nice. When's the Bugatti coming?
weak on Venice Beach, sipping Cristal with some free
Fireplace outdoors. I've still got to get some patio furniture for the outside. Then we've got.
This courtyard's sick.
It's pretty sweet. So we got the one spot. And then I think E63 might go in this guy here.
Okay.
And then 2-car garage there, which I forgot my garage door opener, so we'll have to go
But you
around.
keep the Huracan in here?
Huracan goes in there.
Main living room, correct?
Yeah.
Cool. I like it.
Yeah, got some Randy Phantom stuff. Randy Phantom stuff.
Randy.
Fancy random stuff.
Yeah,
English is my fourth
if you guys
language.
want to know what that special brand is, it's Randy Phantom.
Another subscriber sent me this. It's made of wood. Fucking amazing.
That's amazing.
got no more. Only in LA. What some bitches better.
Yeah, and like, look at the kitchen. Like, Dave, go scan in there. 2 dudes in a kitchen. That's how big it is.
What do you want to see about 7 digits? Fuck
Yeah, can you see? Like, so we've got, you know,
It's a bachelor's home.
a slice of cake. This is not mine, I promise.
Yeah.
And Coors Light.
We got beers. All right, cool.
Sweet. All
Let's
right,
do
yeah,
this.
you can take that.
Let's keep going. House tour. House tour continues.
So then we've got
I'm going back.
Huracan picture. I really like that you can see out of the garage.
That is cool, having windows and it not just being a wall.
I'm going back to Cali.
This is my other car collection. Actually, subscriber sent me these too.
Really?
I love that. It's incredible.
That's a really dope shot of.
Back to Cali.
Dude, your house is huge.
Yeah, so you said you were gonna be here for like 2 days, and it's been like 12 at this point. So he keeps telling me, he's like, "No, I just missed my flight.
I did.
The Uber didn't work."
We're
And he just keep like,
We're probably missing my other flight right now. I'm gonna stay another night. You want to stay another night?
I'll watch another night.
Hey, you want to go get another Coors?
yeah. But in reality, it's been amazing having him visit. You gotta come out more.
Thanks.
And yeah, I mean, honestly, seriously, follow your dreams. It doesn't happen right away. I've been doing this since 2013. And actually before that, I was doing online stuff. I had an online website for Vehicle Virgin since 2011.
Really?
And it's finally all coming together, man. It's
Congratulations.
fun.
Thanks for that.
See, I've got to chauffeur them, so I can't drink.
Thanks for letting us drink your beer.
Get out of my house.
All right, sorry guys.
Probably open container laws in
right.
America.
Well, my time here at Parker's has come to an end. We had a great time. Now we're gonna make him chauffeur us back to LAX. Dude, thanks so much for having us over.
of course, man.
We had an absolute riot. Your cars are beautiful. Your home is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks for including me in the car review of the Spectre.
Of course.
Dave, thanks for your help for holding the camera.
That's what I do best.
Probably won't use any of that footage. It's usually pretty shaky.
Actually
Very
ruined. I
accurate.
looked at it. It was like we're questioning why Dave is around.
It's ruined.
But honestly, like,
Yeah.
can't live without him.
Yeah. So, hey, we could kick him out of the car on the way.
Could you imagine? Just doesn't make it.
Right
you
there.
know where you know where he'd end up though? Right back at my house.
Recycling garbage.
That'd be a
Parker,
that'd be a
I'm just gonna
problem.
live with you for a while, man.
Oh yeah, okay.
I have no source of income.
I will provide nothing in this relationship.
And a high expenses.
I love Gucci purses. What?
What? He wants a Merce. Shout out to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. Definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist, or just click on the next suggested video right here, and you guys keep watching my pretty face.